Hi kay Gala! Save this video if you're planning to visit Boracay. Balak mo bang mag-Boracay adventure? Dapat masubukan mo ang mag-Mount Luho view deck and experience overlooking view of Boracay. By the way, kung gusto mong i-avail si Mount Luho Adventure, merong land tour at kasama na siya sa inyong package. Pero if you're looking for a Boracay land tour at para less hassle ka, you can avail it via Klook app and use my Klook discount code KAHIGALAKLOOK para sa inyong Boracay adventure and avail up to 5% off discount. Oh, diba? San ka pa? May ganito pala sa Boracay. Let's go to the highest point of Boracay, which is Mount Luho. Pwede mo itong i-hike para mapuntahan from Bulabog Beach, although medyo challenging ang trail. Pag akyat, 25 minutes hike ito ha, or you prefer to ride an e-bike. Merong entrance fee na worth 120 pesos. 3-floor building pala ito ha, ang Mount Luho view deck. Sa first floor, pwede kayong mag-agila interaction, take some good photos. At sa second floor naman, may heart-shaped arc. Kitang-kita mo na rin dito ang overlooking ng Boracay. But wait, sa third floor, na-amaze talaga ako at 360 panoramic view experience at tunay na napaka-relaxing. Nandyan yung maririnig mo yung kunin ng ibon at manok at simoy ng hangin. Oh, diba? San ka pa? This is a good adventure here in Boracay. Para sa akin,